Outdoor kitchens are great to have because it can be an extension of your living space to hang out and entertain family and friends. Today I'm sharing how me and the Hubster put together a dry bar that you can do by yourself. And thanks to my friends over at New Air, I partnered with them to share their 24-inch built-in 20-bottle and 80-can dual drawer wine and beverage fridge that can be used indoor or outdoor, and their New Air 400-count Cigar Humidor. This 20-bottle built-in wine and beverage fridge is what dreams are made of. The New Air fridge has weatherproof stainless steel doors that's protected against rust and corrosion and those harsh UV rays, and it's super convenient to install. If you're a renter, do not worry because you can take it with you when you move. Inside the top drawer, there's 3 shelves that are made of beechwood that automatically roll out into a tiered fashion to display 20-bottle wine collection in the top drawer. And I love the dual drawer design because it mimics our freezer drawer. It's very easy to open and grab whatever we need and grab and go. There's no bending over and searching for the item we need. Inside the lower drawer compartment, you'll get a handy wire basket that's perfect for storing a small make-ahead cheese platter or fruits inside, and it's removable. Beneath the basket, there's a stainless steel dividers, which I love because you can customize and contain your food or drinks. Both drawers get cold enough to keep contents at a chiller than most 325° Fahrenheit, even when exposed to hot climates. The Hubster and his friends love to wind down with a cigar every once in a while, and New Air was gracious enough to gift him the New Air 400-count Cigar Humidor that's climate controlled with OptiTemp. It has a heating and cooling function that keeps cigars at the ideal conditions for storage all year round, and the Spanish cedar shelves holds up to 400 cigars, and you can control the temps on this LED lighting digital thermostat. New Air is offering my viewers 20% off using my code BeMyGuest with Denise, and you can get $100 off the 400-count Humidor using my code Denise100. I will provide both links down below in my description box. You can create your dry bar using stock cabinetry. There was some minor damage on the cabinets and we got them for $40 each from the Habitat Restore. The Hubster's friends were so kind enough to help him put this granite on that my neighbor was actually throwing out. It was a little too short. With a little quick thinking, I got a cutting board to fit to size that can be used to cut lemons and limes for drinks. Being confined in the house isn't so bad. I put together a quick healthy snack on this Lazy Susan tray that I got from Habitat Restore when I was visiting my dad in Charlotte, North Carolina a couple of years ago. It's brand new and I got it for only $30. I get so many questions about my wine glasses. They are from Cigar. One glass can hold an entire bottle of wine. My love of pineapple will be never ending. The trays from Home Goods and these beautiful pineapple glasses are from my beautiful sweet friend Rosie at I Heart Recipes. She's one amazing cook, you guys, and one of my best friends. I will leave her blog and her YouTube channel in my description box down below. On another note, I hope you all are being safe during this difficult time that we are in and that we are facing. I pray that it's over very soon. We are all in this together, so let's just come together as a country and just pray. We gotta pray, you guys. I'd like to give New Air a sincere thank you for sponsoring this video, and I'd like to thank you all for watching. I love you.